Ológo dídán.
Okay. So what we are facing here is basically the caves. That we can see one and a few more on the top of the cliffs.
Yes.
But this one here is the first one that, you know, made a very big news because of the first scrolls, you know, that were discovered here.
And that one.
And the hole you see over there, the very first cave. We don't know which one was the first where they put the scrolls, but this is the first one that was discovered. And that's very, very special. Because of that, they actually did this way so people can come and see the very beginning, first of all. And also now you can imagine, you can realize how strong the water stream can be. See the wadi, how it, you know,